Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video, I want to welcome our new Finxter Freelancer student, Chinedu. I hope I pronounced this correctly. Welcome, Chinedu, to the Freelancer course. I'm excited that you joined the course, that you decided to join the freelancing industry trend. And in this video, I want to provide you a case study of one of our previous freelance students who actually also joined the Finxter course maybe 1.5 or 2 years ago or so, and since then earned more than like 40k on Upwork and also other platforms as well. So like combination Upwork on platform and off platform earnings. On average, earning about $100 per hour. And you can see the profile here. It is Adam. I've also hired Adam to actually create some content on the Finxter Freelancer course as well, and give you some tips and provide you some material and actually tell you how he started to succeed on Upwork and like give you some insights as well. So you will probably get to know Adam better in the course. If you go over the course, you for sure will get to know Adam better. Adam is currently he's traveling a lot. He is actually living the dream lifestyle as a freelancer, working with his laptop from everywhere from Wi-Fi. So I have had a call with him on so when he stayed in Eastern Europe, and now he's staying in Bali, Indonesia, and he's actually working great gigs. From the beginning, he wanted to start in machine learning, so he started to write some content for Finxter in the area of machine learning and data science, building his skill, building his expertise, building his profile up. And actually, I gave him some testimonials, and I think it's good to actually quickly go over his profile description, because it's really greatly done. So you see, like this, Adam has a 97% success score. This is all public material, so I don't think I violate any data privacy by talking about this. It's just, everybody can check out Upwork and look at his profile. And I think it's good for Adam as well, because people will see this profile and will maybe hiring him as well. So I think it's a good advertisement and good learning experience for new freelancer students. And you see, this first testimonial is actually a testimonial from myself. So you see, it's my name, Christian Meyer, CEO of Finxter.com, and the testimonial was: Adam is one of the best freelancers I've ever hired. He completed quality work with an extremely short time frame. Highly recommended freelancer. And you see, he nicely done. He actually embeds additional testimonials into his profile, right? This is a powerful tool or tactic to use. And you see also, he introduces testimonials with the star icons, so that it actually it immediately catches your attention, right? And this testimonial was also mine testimonial. Great and blazingly fast freelancers with high quality work. And then he gives some bullet points with his nice little icons about his skills and expertise: native English speaker, engaging content, SEO, images, and so on. And he also he's more in the content creation niche, but I think he also has done a lot of practical gigs where he actually developed machine learning models and stuff. So, and initially he didn't have any technical skills to speak of. He has finished his studies, so a technical study program. I don't remember which one, but it was technical. But he didn't have any practical skills. He didn't knew how to code, and he just learned everything by doing and not fearing actually going out there and creating value for clients. He's very communicative, and I think you can do the same, right? If you are just focusing on client satisfaction like Adam, getting a high job success score, and just go out there, start there, don't fear anything. And actually Adam told me often that one of the most valuable things he got out of the course was to actually get started, even if you are not perfectly skilled in an area. Just get started quickly, and you already have value, no matter how large your skill level is. Even if you know nothing, you have value. Say the value is $5 per hour for clients or so, but then over time it's just a matter of getting started, extracting the value you are worth from the marketplace, and then increasing your value by learning on the go, right? Learning by doing, and actually finishing the Finxter freelancer course and the associated training material on the Finxter Computer Science Academy. Okay, so I think this was a quick case study that shows how it's done. It is done by going out there into the practice, delivering great value for clients, and focusing on one niche like machine learning, for example, and you can be successful too, and in a year live in Bali or Indonesia earning 40k or more, $100 per hour. Okay, thanks for joining Chinedu, and see you in the course. Bye.